You guys got any questions for me? You all good?
Looks like everybody's good, bro. I appreciate you, man. For real, appreciate you.
Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. Is there anything else you trying to add for the team?
I mean, not really, bro. You went over. I think you did a great job of going over everything, man. I know we got a lot of new people up here right now. For those who don't know me, my name is Zay. Welcome to the family. Nice to meet y'all. Y'all in great hands, man. You know it's the GOAT when it comes to this trading shit, man. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, bro is the GOAT when it comes to this trading stuff, man. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. So I gotta get credit when it's due. Gotta give that man his flowers. Um, I'm trying to think, man. Anybody got any questions, like anything that you want to ask, you're scared to ask, or anything like this? This is like the time to ask those questions. I know, like during the discussion chat, y'all, what I'm saying, throw a lot of questions out there. Y'all say a lot in the chat, but on the Zoom calls, you can actually get to see visually what's going on. Y'all got any other questions, like ask him why he's here, or ask me? You know what I'm saying? It don't matter, either or. Let me know if you're not too tired, bro. Can you do a few more things like just like off like some regular pairs or anything, just like draw your fib level so everybody can make sure everybody on the same page when it comes to drawing the field. Because I myself still get confused when it comes to actually drawing the field. So if you could, like, you know what I'm saying, like just do like a random pair, and then let us determine where the fib should go and stuff like that, so we can make sure we on point on the same page as you.
Okay, sounds good, bro. I got you.
Let's do UCAS since I was already thinking about looking at it.
Okay, good. You cut. All right, this is UC. This is UC right now. Let's see. This is a tough one when it comes to the fibs, eh? Look at this, bro. It just popped all the way up. It's a tough one when it comes to the fib. Okay.
Yeah, that shit moving sideways. We could look at something else. That when it comes to moving sideways, we just go ahead and avoid it. I mean, I kind of put a fib on it, but at the end of the day, I'm still kind of like
No,
not
definitely.
as sure.
That like you
But
could like when it comes to UC, man, all like usually like the DXY or like only news be like messing you up. No, you actually really good when it comes to the USD CAD. But first thing first, before I place the fib on the on USD CAD, guys, you must analyze the DXY before before you go and analyze any USD pairs, man. I'm telling you. Sometimes and that thing happened to me and Zay, like I think a few weeks ago, right? The USD CAD gave us a nice fib retracement at the 61.8%. We have 3, 4 touches at the 61.8%, but we actually neglected looking at the DXY because the DXY was not at the fib for the DXY was not at the 61.8% yet, right? And we actually, because we neglected that, we actually got in UC, right? We're in profit a little bit, and then it just like dumped and just grabbed liquidity at the 78.6, then it shot all the way up, right? So if you looking to trade UC, EU, GU, AU, whatever the case may be, make sure you analyze the DXY, aka the US dollar, right? Because if you don't, like your analysis, the DXY must like align to whatever you see or to EU, if that makes sense, right? So before I do anything on UC, I'm going to analyze the DXY first. Um, right, it's called the dollar index. So this is the DXY. Yet again, as you guys know by now, I always start my analysis on the higher time frame, right? Like I always go and grab my key levels and place them, right? I'm going to place one right here, right on the monthly time frame, right? Then I'm going to place one. We got this one right here as well, right? Touch, reject, touch went all the way up, right? This is the last touch that the dollar gave us at the 102.095. Then went all the way up. And then surprisingly, I haven't traded any USD pairs for the last 2 weeks, man. And I've been at peace. I'm not gonna lie, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I've been at peace since then. Um, because the DXY be moving crazy sometimes, man. So many news been happening lately, right? And then I'm going to have a couple more. As you can see, reject, reject, reject. Finally broke above it, came back for the retest, right? And then this is where we're currently at right now, right? And this is why the DXY is currently retracing because it is at a monthly resistance level. You see, guys, if you do not have your key levels on the higher time frame, you won't know why the market is dropping because there's a reason why the market is retracing. It's not just like going up and out of nowhere, it's just going to drop. It's because the market went to a certain level, in this case, 105.399 area, right? Because it is a monthly time frame, right? The last time you touched it, drop, touch, drop, right? As you can see. So the market is retracing for a reason. And this is why I start my analysis on the higher time frame, right? To make sure I'm not missing any key levels, right? The weekly time frame I barely touch is pretty much the same as the monthly time frame, right? But you can see right here this beautiful structure happening, right? On the weekly time frame, right? Low, high, low, and so on, right? So now I'm going to skip and go straight into the daily time frame. And this is where we're going to have to see what's going on with the DXY, right? So first thing first, can someone tell me what is the current trend of the DXY right now? Is it bearish? Is it bullish? Is there like a break and retest of the trend? You know, help me out, right? So let me zoom in so you guys can see it properly. Can someone please tell me what is the current trend of the DXY? Bullish or bearish? Or was it bullish and there's a break in the retest and now it is bearish? Or, just help me out. Zay, was that you?
Yeah, bro, I'm just throwing hints.
Man, the whole team is quiet tonight, man. You guys gotta help us out. You guys gotta help us out, man, and let us know if it's bullish, bearish. Help us out. There's no wrong answers, man. If you get the question wrong, you definitely gonna learn from it. That's all. Bullish means uptrend, bearish means downtrend, guys.
So no, I would say is bullish.
Bullish?
Bullish. Yeah.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, the market is currently trending up, guys, which means it is bullish. So now, the minute you get that right, trust me, man, you're already way.
Yeah, I was talking, but I didn't notice my mic was off.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, the minute you get that right on daily time frame, man, you pretty much set. So now, literally, all you got to do is wait because you know the current trend. So now, all you got to do is wait for the market to create structure for you to get in, right? So now, all you got to do is, guys, go insert shape and then start marking your structures, right? So you got the low right here. The DXY is still kind of choppy a little bit because it might giving you like, you're not sure if this is a high or this is the high or this is the higher low because it does look choppy, like kind of like a huge gaps in between, right? So you can go down into the H4 time frame to see, right? But in the H4 time frame, you can see it does look a little choppy. That's down, up, up, down. So this is the most recent higher low for sure. This is the
Yeah,
most
down
recent
here.
structure for sure. Now I'm trying to debate and see if this is also structure. This is definitely also structure. So now, okay, yeah. So let's go back on the daily time frame and see. Yeah, this is definitely structure as well. We got this, right? And then you have this right here, right? Make sure I get it. Make sure I got everything right. Then you have this. Man, I don't know why I grabbed the fib. The reason I'm doing this, guys, is because you must place the fib from the most recent structure, in this case, since the market is trending up, from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high, and then you wait to get in at the most recent, and you wait to get in at the next higher low. right? So as you can see, this is the most recent structure right here, right? Low, high, higher low, right? This is higher high. That was a huge push, to be honest. Um, shapes, right? You got this right here. Now all you got to do is grab your fib retracement, right? And this is why I was telling you guys that DXY is not ready. Right? Grab your fib retracement, place it from here, right? From the most recent structure, the most recent higher low in this case, to the most recent higher high. And then you'll be waiting to, right? You got this guy, the market has to retest. There's the fair value gap going. The market has to retest all this area right here, right? Then all you got to do is wait for the market to actually come to respect 50 and 61.8%. That will be the next structure, right? And once the DXY does this, then we know for a fact it is most, so the DXY drop to this area right here and respects it, right? Then we know for a fact it is going to keep shooting up to go and target the next, the previous higher high, this guy right here at 0%. Then minus 27% is probably going to create the next higher high. That makes sense, right? So that's literally all there is to it, guys. All there is to the strategy, right? The market is bullish on the daily time frame. Grab your blue rectangle boxes and you mark your key structures and you place your fib from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high. And you wait for the market to actually properly form structure like it did here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, whatever the case may be, within the 15 and 61, then you know for a fact that the market is going to go for the 0% as TP1 and minus 27% as TP2, right? So obviously, we do not trade the DXY itself, right? We analyze the DXY because the DXY will give us an edge when we go trade any USD pairs, right? You must analyze the DXY, right? Because the minute the DXY comes to the 15 and 61.8% and actually create structure, then we know for a fact that any pairs that got USD at the end should be bearish, right? Because if the DXY creates that structure and is going up bullish, right? Any pairs that got USD at the end should be going the opposite way, which is bearish. In this case, EUR USD will be dropping, right? As soon as the DXY then created that structure. GBP USD will be dropping, should be dropping, sorry. And then AUD USD should be dropping. Any pairs that got USD in front of them, right? In this case, USD CAD will be trading the same as the DXY, right? Because they'll be moving the same way. USD CAD should be bullish. USD JPY also will be bullish, and so on and so on and so on. So the minute you get the DXY right, and you know any pairs that got USD at the end are going to be moving the opposite way, you pretty much already win the trade before you actually analyze any USD pairs, right?